Hi there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to reward your attendees with Zoom. In this example, you will find out how to reward everyone who attended your meeting. Note that you can also create contests or instant raffles. You just have to set up the meeting, then install the appyReward app. So, start by organizing the meeting as you usually do. Then go to the marketplace to install the app. Once on appyReward, click on Create a new campaign. Select your meeting from the list, the one you just created. Select Reward Individuals. Select the type of gift you want to offer, then select the country where the gift will be used. Fill out the form with each required dates. Click Next to set up the rules. At this stage, you will plan your budget, insert the number of attendees, choose a gift, and fix its value. Then click Next. Check the details of your campaign and click Launch. Once the campaign is activated, it is ready to go. Hope this video has been helpful to you. Please do not hesitate to contact our team on the site or by sending an email to helpdesk@appyReward.com.